Hey guys, welcome back. So this is round two of us trying to breed Jack and Chrissy. We tried it before, and obviously it did not happen, or we were not successful in that attempt. So we're showing you our failures as well as the successes. And in this case, it was a failure. We just put Chrissy in here, and they've gone at it quite a few times. And I actually think she submitted this time, and Jack seems to be able to do his part, but it really depends on whether or not she submits. So I'm going to leave him in here for a little while longer just to make sure. But I think, we don't need to blow by blow, but I think it's happening this time because her stance is quite different. And it seems that even though she does run around a bit, she eventually submits to him. But I'm going to let him stay in here for a while longer. I will monitor them, and we will find out in about 30 days if we were successful, or little more than 30 days, but right around that time. Wish us luck.